Hi, I'm RISA, and I'm the founder of a toy company, RISA Time Slime. And my first product line is actually slime. So in my YouTube channel, RISA Time Slime, I'm going to be covering some of my vlogs, my daily visiting stores, doing different types of activities, even going over some videos of my life. And I'm going to tell you the whole story about how I started a toy company. But let's get into this vlog.
Hey, so we're in Macy's again. So let's look around. Macy's, and the best thing is the escalator. I don't know, it might be getting close to prom dress season. So, oh my gosh, that would be so fun if I tried on prom dresses. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so my style.
That's really pretty.
Yes, that is. That is so. Now this looks like Love Shack fancy.
It does.
Commentary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot wear this. This is too. Look at how short I am. I cannot wear that. Oh my gosh. Why do they make them so tall? What about for the short people? Okay. This looks more like evening gown. This isn't really like prom. Let's see if we can see some prom. But yeah, this seems like, I don't know, maybe we're entering prom season. Yeah, this kind of looks like a prom dress. I think we're getting closer. What would I wear? I think it was at Macy's or JCPenney's. There was a big sale, and it was during COVID season of 2020. It was in the spring that all the prom dresses were canceled, all the proms. So they had a clearance sale for all the prom dresses, and I got mine for like $30, a nice prom dress. But okay, this style is really nice, but it's too long, and also it's like sheer right there. It's unrealistic for me, my style. But oh my gosh! Wait a second. Oh my gosh, this is so me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold the phone. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Hold the phone. Maybe. Okay, maybe we'll try different, and there's fitting rooms, so maybe I'll try one on for you. This is so cute. Okay, it's so cute. It's not that scandalous. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, we're gonna pause the video and I'm gonna try this dress on, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so I tried on the dress, so now let's look at other things at Macy's. Okay, let's go do my favorite part, which is the escalator. But yes, that dress, it looked very cute, but not for what I am going for. But it's good that Macy's plays a lot of up-to-date songs like Pink Pony Club. Macy's is literally the size of 10 stores put together. And then you can watch people going down the escalator at the same time. Oh my gosh, I wonder what the electricity bill of this place is. Okay, actually, let's look at the furniture stuff. Okay. Baby clothes. Let's look. Actually, this is not my favorite one. Okay, I don't like that one. Okay. Which beddings is my, oh my gosh, I didn't know they had real beds in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm looking at the different options. Okay. Wow. Wait a second. Okay, This is so basic. This one's my favorite one because out of the ones because I didn't like the designs of. I didn't like the. I didn't like that design out of the. And this one I don't like because it's like geometric and it's a weird shape. And that one's too dark blue. But I like this one out of the like 11 bedding that they have available. But I did not know that Macy's had actual beds like IKEA. I did not know that. But let's look at the bedding that is not on display. But no, I don't like that. Okay. No. Oh, okay, I like this one. Oh, hotel collection. It's cream and I like it because it's like. Wait. No, I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like that one. It is so hard to find. Okay, I like this one. I like it's like tan with like some light blue. Wow. People are very particular about their bedding. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to find people bedding that people like. It's very difficult. Yeah, that was the only two that I liked. Oh, but I'll always like any soft pillow. Okay, I like this white one too. It's like plain squares. Okay, I like this one too. But this one is just for the winter time because look, it's like this underneath. I feel like I would get so hot. Oh my gosh, this blanket feels like I would get so hot. It is so soft though. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we were missing one. Hold the phone, this one I like. No, this one's my favorite. I would do, actually the color's perfect. I just like it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Is this IKEA or is this Macy's? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It goes, whoa, look at how far back it goes. Whoa. Oh my goodness, there's more bedding. Oh god. Okay, never mind. Scrap what we just said. Oh my gosh. Now this is what I'm talking about. Okay. I like that green one. I like this one. I like this one. Okay. Let me see. I like this one. I like this throw pillow. And okay, RISA germs. Okay. Oh my god. I like this headboard. No, I don't like this headboard. Never mind. I think my camera person likes what I say. They're getting entertained. Whoa, why does it go far? Okay, this one's my favorite headboard, where it's like it's like a fabric headboard. But let's go check out the couches. I did not know that it went this far back. It got really quiet all of a sudden. Okay. No.
Hi, this is Landlord. This is Diane. We'll call you back.
Wait.
Too much. You don't leave a message. I can give you a phone number.
Okay. This one is my favorite. If I had a dream house, this one's my favorite. This one's my favorite because I can have me on the computer. I could do that and have a lamp right there. Watch TV. I could literally, if this was my couch at home, I could literally fall asleep on the couch. Or if I had a husband, I'd literally this is good enough. Actually, this is not long enough for him to, if I made him sleep on the couch. But, oh, he could sleep on the couch if you want like this. Wait, this one's my favorite. And the color too. Okay, this is my second favorite. Let's go to the dining room. Follow me. Wow, these are like old man chairs. The patio. It's so scary, patios, because you gotta have an umbrella because it could get wet outside. I don't really like the dining room. Wait, this one's my favorite out of the dining ones. Well, I would want like real wood. This may or may not be real wood. I can't tell the difference. But I did not know it went this far out. Oh my goodness. Okay, they would not have these available if they didn't want you to sit on them and put your germs all over it. So it's good. Oh, it looks like it's a blended stuff. A slushy machine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That would be so nice. Frozen drinks is the easiest way to make frozen drinks. Or if I had a lot of money, this would be such a cool blender to have. It just seems too unrealistic. I could just do this. I don't even need this. It's so much cheaper just to use these mixers. Actually, hold the phone. Even if I had money, I would not buy this. Because you're wasting so much money. You could just use this instead. Like, actually, never mind. Because the price difference is only like 40 bucks. Actually, it's worth your money to buy this. This is worth the money if you like going to the grill and you want a portable one. Exactly. Ooh. Oh. Hot. Fancy coffee if you're into coffee. Or okay, let's look at the plates. What plates would I like? I love these mugs where they can just lay on top of each other perfectly. Oh my gosh, I like those where they can lay on top of each other. I don't like this one. Okay. Actually, out of all of these plates that I've seen, these are probably my favorite plates because they can stack on top of each other and they're so condensable. But I guess these, I don't like it because it's too shiny. I like, you notice this is more like chrome where they're not reflective of the light. So yeah, I probably like. But anyways, I gotta go, but that was so much fun at Macy's. Bye!